Today we have a clean 2018 Kawasaki 310 Ultra X with only 58 engine hours. Features included with this watercraft includes a Kawasaki storage cover. This unit is powered by a 1,498cc 310 horsepower Kawasaki supercharged 4-stroke inline 4-cylinder marine engine with water inducted cooling. It has electric start and a stainless steel impeller. There's a direct drive transmission with reverse. It has Kawasaki smart steering. There's a variable trim system. There's cruise control. There's a digital multifunction information center. It has tilt steering. There's rear view mirrors. It has a bow storage compartment. It also has a glove box with a speed immobilizer. It has underseat storage. It has HydroTurf padded footwells. There's a spring assisted boarding ladder in the rear. It has a 3-person carrying capacity, and finally it has a 20.6 gallon fuel tank. Once again, this was a clean 2018 Kawasaki 310 Ultra X. Thank you for watching and have a great rest of your day.